What was that again?
What? Hi, baby. I was actually talking to the dog.
Yeah, Christine's talking to Oliver, not me. If you want to know in the background what that was all about.
Oh, are you filming now?
I am. Okay, I thought I'd do a quick one here. Really cool. I'm going on a trip with Mr. Baxter, Andy, my buddy. We go in a few days, and he's up in Wabakimi. So he has like one night before we go, and he goes, "Hey, can you pack the food?" And I said, "No problem." The only problem is I've been out a lot tripping this year, and I have no dehydrated food left. It's getting to the, well, it's near the end of August. And yeah, so it's five nights, and it's out in Georgian Bay, out to the Busters. And so I got 5 nights, so I'm going to make 2 extra meals in case we get windbound. So I thought, it's kind of cool. Here's stuff I just got at the bulk food store and Walmart. Okay, so yeah, this is not like, wow, Kevin's going to show us all his fancy dehydrated meals and stuff like that. It's a good thing I have a cookbook, Christine. Right. Okay. I'm going to go over what I got at the bulk food store first, and also what I got at Walmart. I don't think I'll use all these things, but I just got excited and got a whole bunch of extra. So actually going on a trip after this too. So I've run out of dehydrated foods, and I'm not going to buy those dehydrated packs. I'm not to say they're bad. I have no money. Okay, so I'm going on a cheap. Bulk food, Walmart. Here we go. So what I got at the bulk food store is, first of all, I got Gorp, good old raisins and peanuts. All right, and so yes, there is bulk food, good old raisins and peanuts. Plus, there's some Smarties in there, and this is pretty old. Can you get stale Gorp? Oh, you got a call. Sorry, is that the vet? Oliver's, I got a vet appointment. Is he all right? You good?
Yeah, I'm just getting his medicine.
Okay, so, but you just don't go with just plain Gorp. That's boring. You have to add things. So I got Reese's Pieces. I got a bunch of caramel crusty pretzel things, and I mix that all in, and that's going to be my Gorp and bag. So for other bulk food stuff, I got dried strawberries, which I've never tried before. That's kind of cool. I got figs. No, dates, not figs. What's the difference between a fig and a date? No?
You're asking the wrong person.
Yeah,
They're totally different foods.
Okay, I'm pretty sure this is a sweetened date. Or a fig. This is a fig Newton. Fig Newtons are dates, right? Right. Got those. Dried strawberries and dried mango. And I cut that all up and put that in this breakfast cereal with powdered milk, which I don't need that much of. But yeah, I got that from the food store. And that's usually what we have for breakfast. So, there's no portage that I know of. He's organized this trip. Once again, but at least he told me where we're going. And so yeah, but we're going to do cereal. Maybe bacon, eggs in first morning. Probably not though. I think I'm good with it though. And I got some pancake mix if I want to. I'm just going to do the cereal. All right, blah, blah, blah. Bulk food store. So dried fruit, granola, and I always bring some fresh fruit with me. Always a couple apples, maybe a couple oranges, but apples, even though they're bulky, they're really good. I should love apples. Live off those. So the rest, so yeah, powdered milk, and also I got some, I didn't have to get baking powder or flour to make Bannock because I already have it. So, but I do need the powdered milk to make Bannock, so I'm going to make Bannock. So I don't have any bread. I'm going to make my own bread out there. Also for breakfast. Oh yeah, this thing. This is a big conversation we had yesterday. We went camping at Charleston with young Jude and the family, and we thought, hey, let's get them these little tiny breakfast cereals. I thought, yeah, I'll even take them on the trip as well. Because remember, you open them up, you poured the milk in, powdered milk it would be, and then you ate them right out of the box. That's a rip-off!
The fun packs are not fun anymore.
No, and they're smaller.
They're tiny, and you can't cut them open and eat out of them.
I know. What? Wrong. That's wrong. Was it Kellogg's? Wrong Kellogg's. Right here. Okay. Oh yeah. So what else we got for breakfast? Oh, I got a new. I haven't tried this before. Tell me if you tried it. This is beer batter, and for fish, and oil for fish. I gotta top that oil up, and coffee. So I'm gonna do instant coffee. What's the name again? I'm going with Andy. Andy drinks black coffee. I used to use those packets with cream and sugar in them, but I'm okay with drinking black coffee. We did this last year on the big northern trip, and it's fun. So I'm going to put a lot of this in separate packs, by the way, if you're wondering. I do use Ziploc, and also I've done this before, but Ziplocs we tend to use a lot more of, and I wash them and dry them and reuse them after every trip. Okay, so what is that? Oh, they know that this is a 3 cheese mix I got. So instead of actually doing this, I got this. A little nervous because I've never done this before. I've done this. So we'll see what that works. And with that, I've got some pasta to go do that with. And what am I going to do with the pasta? Oh yeah. Tuna pieces, and I'm going to bring some fresh veg as well. With the veg, I'm going to put some peppers, and we got a bunch of tomatoes, but the peppers and stuff like that, I'm going to put, and it sounds crazy, but it works. I'm going to put it in the sink with a bit of water and a little bit of bleach, and let the veg soak in there, and that will actually protect the outside for it going bad as quickly as it not as quickly. It's true. It's true. You ever done that before?
Soak my vegetables in bleach?
Well, for camping.
No,
you don't want them to,
done that.
No?
No.
Well, they make them stay fresh longer.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've never heard of that.
Okay. Also with noodles, I also got a rice mix. And so, yeah, cheese with noodles and some veg. And rice mix with some veg as well. With that rice, I got this at Walmart. Walmart has tons of stuff for campers. They just don't know they have it for campers, but I do. And this is just a chicken teriyaki sauce. Yes, it's not dehydrated, but again, there's no portaging. So this and this with some veg as well. I'm going to bring a small red cabbage as well. That's really good. I'm going to get those in a couple days before we go. Also, what I do the first night, I always bring either a steak or a ham. Probably a ham because it's been hot. And one of these two is powdered potatoes. These are the best potatoes, I think. The Betty Crocker ones we got, you have to add milk to them, and also it's a bigger package, so it's way too much. So I find these really good. So yeah. All right, there you go. Oh yeah, with the teriyaki, I got these nuggets to go in there as well. Cool. You could do the instead of couscous. Oh yeah, I haven't even talked about couscous yet. Oh, I'm rambling. Couscous instead of pasta. Instead of what else did I talk about? I'm just rambling. Oh, rice. Couscous. So really, you only need this much couscous for 2 of us for one night, but I got extra couscous. And what I do with couscous is I make curry. You could use also quinoa as well, but couscous, pretty awesome stuff. Now with that, I got 3 options here to make a curry with couscous. So I usually go with this one, and uh-oh. That was Oliver. That was not Christine. Oliver has a little bit of it.
He just has a cough. He just coughed.
She's okay. She's gone. All right. So that you can use that. I would add a bit of water and make a good curry sauce, or actually I add a little bit of white wine to this. Or this one is the one I'm going to bring. Same thing. Again, in theory, if I was going on a real canoe trip that's lots of portaging and stuff, and not going into Georgian Bay, floating around for a while, I would dehydrate this stuff, but I don't need to. But I got this at Walmart. Right there. And Can you explain it? Because I don't know what it is. It's a korma, but
it's paneer, which
Yeah.
is an Indian type of soft cheese. Paneer is an Indian cheese that doesn't melt.
okay. So if I did rice and
Yeah.
this, that would be really good.
Yes.
Okay, that's a meal. Okay, now is it not good? It's all your fault. Oh, and crushed cashews. Well, I didn't crush them yet to put on the curry. Oh yeah, with the ham and the mashed potatoes. I know this is wrong, but I am allowed to bring cans where I'm going because I am going to smash them up and take them out. But I gotta take that. I gotta take that. It's a Canadian product, I believe, isn't it? Yeah, asparagus. Baked beans. It's got a bear on it. Isn't that cute? Okay. So yeah, I got that. Also, to go with the the curry. Gosh, I'm making no sense. I'm all fluffered. With the curry is canned chicken, and what I like about this is chunk chicken. It's chicken breast chunks instead of flake chicken. It's actually cheaper. I thought it'd be more expensive that way. But it's got the pull-off tab. Now I always bring a can over here, but if you ever forgot, you didn't need it, so that's pretty good. Speaking of other meats, I got this. Have you seen this before? I got it in the aisle where all the unique food is. So it's chicken luncheon meat. It's from France. So maybe instead of this, use this.
That looks more like Spam, but made with chicken.
Yeah. That's Spam.
No, that's corned beef.
Oh, really? Oh yeah, it's corned beef. Okay, I can't take that. I usually use Spam and fry it up for breakfast. Okay, corned beef. Well, I can make a lunch for corned beef.
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, I'm just going off and
Corned beef
tangent
hash.
here. Yeah, and chicken. Oh yeah, I got these candies as well at the Bannock food store. Oh yeah, no, you can't eat my candy before. Yeah.
That's a lawful lot. I don't think you need that many.
No, it's in the bag. All right. Stovetop topping. What?
It's upside down.
Oh, I thought my fly was down. Stovetop stuffing. I have that with a ham as well, or with whatever the fish sometimes. But yeah, I got that, and got chewy bars, which I usually don't ever get chewy bars. Why did I get chewy bars? Because I got lots of chocolate. The chocolate's on sale. 2 for $5 at Walmart. What else do I got? No, that's it. Oh, and for lunches, I got peanut butter, probably put some jam in, fish for sure. This dried meat I bought in May. It's being in my kit. There's nothing wrong with it.
No,
right?
that one doesn't need refrigeration.
No, but it has been in the garage since May.
Good luck to you.
Oh, all right. And crackers. And Wilton's cheese, which is literally 5 minutes down the road. It's great cheese. Wilton cheese. Hello, Wilton. It's a good cheese place. Okay, there you go. Oh, I'm not done yet. Here, I got this at the Bannock food store too. Some Asian noodles I've never seen before, and they were on sale. And rice noodles. So with all this, easily I can make meals for 4 nights. And 2 extra. I'll probably put a crab dinner in there just in case as well. Some dried meat sticks in case we get wind down. Because Bustard Islands, we could get wind down. But we all have the safety measures.
Crab dinner and pepperoni sticks.
Yeah, that's really good. My daughter's favorite on camping trips. Okay. That's it. Oh yeah, and the whiskey, which I haven't got brought up from the basement yet. Maybe that's a separate one. It's going to be a cheap trip because all the whiskey that I'm using on the trip, which I'm going to put in here, is bottles that people gave me at shows. I'm still going through all that. So yeah. So free whiskey, dollar store, and not dollar store. Actually, dollar store is a pretty good place to go shopping too for camp stuff. Walmart and the Bannock food store. The full total price, the Bannock food store stuff came to $57, which I found pretty expensive for what I got. But I think it was the chocolate. And Walmart stuff, basically the whole entire thing, this entire trip was going to cost me $102. So that's pretty good. I could even do it less if I used some of the stuff that was in the cupboard. I just got excited about shopping. All right, thanks for coming out. I think I got everything. It's going to be a good trip and great time of year to do it. The heat wave is gone. The fires are going out. There's less smoke in the air. The bugs are calming down a bit. And yeah, you can't go wrong with Georgian Bay. So yeah. Right, Christine?
Do you have any desserts over there?
Chocolate. Yeah, I should go shopping again. I gotta. Yeah, I need more breakfast too. Yeah, this is tough because like he's not going to see this until he opens up the barrel the first day. Oh.